Hello everyone, I am Ibadur Rahman and in this video I am going to explain chapter 5 multiplication of class 3rd mathematics. So let's start the chapter with an example. Here, look here, recall there are 3 groups of children. Look here, one group, second group and third group. In each group there are 2 children, 1 2, 1 2 and 1 2. Clear? If we want to add the count all the number, how many children are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. If we want to add all these groups, so 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we can write like this: 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6 children in all. Okay, total how many children? 6 children. So this type of addition we can write like this: 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiplication by 2 is equal to 6. A cross sign represent as a multiply symbol. Okay, and the product of two number is a 6. So we can say that 6 as a product of 3 and 2's. Okay, same process we can do in this exercise. Now start exercise 5.1. Everyone open page number 64. Question number 1. Write the addition and multiplication fact. Means इसी ग्रुप जो पिक्चर दी गई है इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन को आपको एडिशन फैक्ट के फॉर्म में एंड देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. लुक हियर, हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स आर डक? वन ग्रुप, सेकेंड ग्रुप, थर्ड ग्रुप, फोर्थ ग्रुप. इन ईच ग्रुप देयर आर 2 डक्स, 1 2, 1 2, 1 2 and 1 2. If we want to write the information as a addition fact, we can write here 2 plus 2 and 2 and 2. Total how many ducks? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Or you can say that 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6 and 6 plus 2 8. So you result as a 8. Clear? Okay, how many times we add here 2? 1 2 3 4. 4 times we add 2. So you can write in a multiplication form 2 multiplied by 4 and result as a 8. 2 4s are 8. We have 4 2s are 8. When we multiply 2 with 4, we get as a 8. Clear? Now next part on next page, page number 65. Okay, look here. In each group there are 5 leaves. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. In each group there are 5 leaves. If we want to count all the leaves, so 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 5 means add all the numbers of leaves in each group. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, how many leaves are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So total number of leaves is equal to 15. So 5 plus 5 10 and 10 plus 5 15. How many times we add here 5? 1 2 3 times. So you can write here 3 multiplied by 5 and your result as a 15. So 3 5s are 15. When we multiply 3 by 5, we get as a 15. It is your addition fact and here as a multiplication fact. If we add 5 3 times, we get 15. But if we multiply 3 by 5, we get as a 15, same result. So 5 plus 5 3 times, or simply multiply 5 by 3, we get as a same result, 15. Okay, now next C part. Look here, in part C, in each group how many flowers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. In each group there are 6 flowers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same as here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when we add these flowers, we can write like this: 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So total number of floor is equal to 12. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6 as a 12. How many times we add 6? 2 times. 6 and 6. So you can write 2 multiplied by 6. 2 6 are 12. Either you add 6 2 times or you simply multiply 2 by 6, we get as a 12 result. Clear? Now third part, part D. In each group, how many butterfly? 3 butterfly in each group. 1, 2, 3. Same as here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Means each group there are 3 butterfly. If we want to add all the butterfly, we can write like this: 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 5 times we add 3. 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. And 12 plus 3, 15. Check here. If all the butterflies are 16, then your result is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So your result also equal to 15. It means your result is correct. Now how many times we add here 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So you can write here 5 times we multiply 5 multiplied by 3, we get as a 15. Okay, so it's your result. So if you want, you can take a screenshot all the solution B, C and D. Now I am going to explain question number 2. Okay, on page number 65. Now it starts from second question, part A. Write the multiplication fact. मीन्स अब इस जो भी एडिशनल फैक्ट दिया गया इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. लुक हियर, 3 plus 3 and 3 plus 3. How many times 3 added here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we add 3, we get as a 12. In multiplication form you can write 4 times we add 3, means 4 multiplied by 3 result as a 12. How many times we add 3? 4 times. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Okay. Same as part B. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 35. How many times 7 added here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times when we add 7 we get as a 35. So you can write 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35, means 5 sevens are 35. Clear? It is your information change from additional fact to multiplication fact. Now in question number 3, write the addition fact. Multiplication fact are given. अब इसको क्या करना है? एडिशन फैक्ट के फॉर्म में लिखना है. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 ना. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, means 4 times when we add 5 we get 20, or simply you can say that 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So you can write here 5, 5, 5 and 5. 4 times हो गए. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 times when we add 5 we get as a result 20. फिर से देख लीजिए, 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, means 4 times we add 5 we get 20 result. So 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 4 times we add the 5 we get as a 20. Now look here, 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30, means 3 times we add 10 we get 30, or simply you can say that when we multiply 3 with 10 we get 30. Both are same. So write in additional fact 3 times we add 10. So you can write here 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10. 3 times हो गए. when we add 3 times 10 we get as a result 30. So 10 plus 10 20 and plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 as a answer. Clear? Now question number 4. Look here, from question number 4, write the addition and multiplication fact for each number line. अब यहाँ पे जो भी नंबर लाइन बनी है इस नंबर लाइन को आपको एडिशनल फैक्ट लिखना है एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट लिखना है. तो यहाँ पे देखिएगा, हाउ मेनी स्टेप वी मूव फ्रॉम 0 to 3, 1 2 3. सो इन ईच स्टेप वी मूव 3 digit. So 3 3 3 and 3. So how many times we move 3 step? 1 2 3 4 times. So 3 plus 3 and plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. In multiplication form we can write 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Means 4 times 3 step को move किया गया है. Now here 2, one more time 2, again 2, again 2, 2, 2 and 2. In each group 2 numbers are here. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Means how many times we move to? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. Yes, simply you can write here for first 2, for second 2, for third 2, for fourth 2, for fifth 2, for sixth 2 and for seventh time you write here 2. How many times we move to? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and your final result as a 14. So you can write here 14. Okay, in multiplication form 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. When we move 2 steps 7 times we get as a 14. 2 7s are 14. How many times? 7 times we move 2 steps. So we get as a 14. Look here in point C. Each group has 5 digits. No? 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Here 1 2 3 4 5. Here 1 2 3 4 5. In each step we measure the 5 point. So how many times 5? 1, another time 5, next time 5 and in last time also 5. Your final result as a 20. So when we add 4 times 5 5 5 we get 20. Either we can say that 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Clear? So your exercise 5.1 is completed. Try to complete all the exercise, complete exercise 5.1 in your book with the help of this video. In case of any doubt, you may ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.